Hey, you guys, it's Marianne, and I just wanted to introduce to you week 6. So this one is quick, demonstrative pronouns. It's a 5-minute lecture. That's the PowerPoint that I use in the lecture, and this is like a 5-point quiz. Actually, it's really easy. It's just a reminder, really, because sometimes I don't see what I need to see. This is actually 10 minutes. I know you're going to love it. I just absolutely know you're going to love it. Just respond. How might you act or transfer the ideas to your life as a scholar, learner, son, daughter, friend, or citizen? Pay attention to what Lovey talks about and then respond. Be specific, think of scenarios, and then the first post is due Friday. 2 peer responses are due Sunday. All right, and so this is the main thing. It's due Sunday. So you're going to read and take notes on all of chapter 11 because guess what? I get to talk to you guys on Monday. So we have a WebEx session on Monday, so I'm excited about that. And we're going to start a new essay. So to prepare for that, you guys are going to be doing a little bit of preliminary work. So in your textbook, the green textbook, chapter 11 is about causal arguments. And so I just want you to take a look at one of the example essays and answer questions about it. I want you to analyze it. It's sort of similar to the argumentative essay analysis that you just completed, but it kind of is a little more structured. So take a look at these questions, make a paragraph response or two, incorporate the question into your responses, and just look at one of those essays just a little more critically to see exactly what kind of moves that author chose to make. And in the meantime, please reach out, and I hope you guys have a great day.